Protests reached their highest point in October of 2016, when a herd of buffalo showed up to the site as arrests were taking place. Water protectors, taking this as a sign, cheered in glee. How did Engels predict the end of the Civil War? Having served in the Prussian army in his 20s, he took an interest in military matters. He also understood better than others the intractable nature of the conflict and the obstinacy of the Confederate army. Therefore, having grasped the essential features of the position, he calculated a few steps ahead and found the winning move for the Union. When Ulysses S. Grant assumed the presidency in 1869, Sherman took over as commanding general of the Army and worked in that role for 14 years. What are the similarities between the person, W.T. Sherman, and the tree? Both are epic figures of the United States of America. The average sequoia acorn holds about 200 seeds. The trees of the southern Sierra Nevada mountain range are threatened by wildfires and climate change. The more you know, an elephant eats over 300 pounds and 18 hours per day. Being a vegetarian is good for health, animal rights, and the environment. Plant proteins are more easily digested than animal proteins. Eating meat and dairy can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and cancer. Human survival is dependent on improving sustainability practices for planet Earth. One of the most important aspects of this is making a commitment to recycling. Mushrooms are masters of recycling in the forests. Decaying plant and animal matter are digested by fungus. Then the fungi, using a network of connections to trees through the root system, trade their food for sugar. Trees have an interest in producing fruit and leaves that are edible by the animals of the forest. When the animals eat, grow, and die, those nutrients are returned to the forest floor, and mushrooms help digest the material. The fruiting bodies are only visible part of the time, often after a rainfall, but most of the fungal root system is thin and stringy, running miles long and connecting a network of trees. Trees can give other trees, often of their own species, resources through the fungal network. Humans need to make an adjustment to be more in harmony with the planet. Overpopulation and overconsumption of resources makes our behavior more like a virus than like a mutual, symbiotic relationship. Ginkgo trees were the first species of trees to develop broad leaves. This was a significant moment in evolutionary history because it fueled bugs evolving into amphibians, to reptiles, to mammals. Humans are mammals that are primates, and specifically apes. Therefore, plants are our mothers. They have given us food, as a loan, which they hope to get back in the circle of life.